What's up everybody and welcome back to another episode on my channel. I decided to take a break from a story of hope. I know you guys are all loving that story and talk about something different. I was talking to one of my friends and she asked me this: how can we make time stand still without leaving this town? I told her, easy. It's not your body that needs to shut off. It's your brain. And you can do that by going someplace that is peaceful and quiet. Well, fast forward a few days when I took this cover photo. I was sitting behind my kitchen table when all of a sudden I see a magpie sitting on the building just next to us. Now, that morning, I had asked God, please send me a reminder that even though times are tough as far as YouTube goes, you are still with me. And you know what? Just a few moments later, he did just that. So, my takeaway from that experience is that even when times are tough and you too feel like you need to step away from the daily grind, you can do that too by finding a peaceful spot, whether it's your backyard, a picnic on the lake, or a favorite Bible verse. Those are just some examples, because even when life, when life gets you down, God is still giving us moments to teach you. And you know what's funny? Today is Sunday, and I saw those magpies having a bidding war over their breakfast. So thank you God for giving me that funny moment. And thank you that you were able to teach me something through the birds. Anyway, that's just a short little book about when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. Having said that, though, here's where I'm gonna let you guys go. Make sure to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up, because if you do, that will help the algorithm to get my message to more people. As always, no matter what happens in life, it's important to keep on smiling. Bye.